up that ladder. Soon I wouldn't look a snake self. When you not done on the run, go tell Dewey this, tell Dewey that. And I still not have Dewey. I mean Dewey mad over. Me never look at a friend Dewey or on a man or think on it. Is it my husband and a damn stuck it attack say. My nice sexy husband. It's my husband. You see if I get the take it. Cause God go with it. Ignorant son. All of them saying under the stupid bitches. Sod conniving to your own self, not me. Because me supposed to mad over my husband. Me supposed to ball for him. Me supposed to climb the tree. I said, do it. You better come, better jump down, do it. Because it's my husband. What the type I said, what is the benefit? Jackass. Me and the man lap up sleep. Me and the man bed come and work. Me and the man eat. All the man Queenie. All a hot. On a young girl. Clean my tongue. I have tongue in and dirty it up more. Me for clean my tongue, I'm having us will clean my tongue for me. Ooh, ooh. On a bad man, I said, oh, God go with it on. I'll pray for you lot, you know. I'll pray for you lot. You lot need prayers. Someone have 3 husbands, 6 baby father, and 9 man. And still I kill me for my husband. No, the terrible door. No more man out there. One man to be good. That's a day. That's a make a girl step to me. If she bad. I think she read the way I'm coming. No, I read them. I want to read, baby. No, baby girl. I read everything in our game. Positive, in between, negative. So then she said, me that piece of teeth and that teeth. And that teeth I know my own. This. I know my own. A piece of teeth. My God, turn it there and them dash piece or something. Not turn it there. What's it called? DR. Remember when I was in DR? I went to get my teeth them fixed nice and something. I'm run come over back and watch my husband. Well, she said my tongue clean. She she your tongue clean, clean it. Take time now. Listen, remember my mouth actually got happy, you know. So it's all good for no over this and tell me say me for take time. I say crazy don't lazy. I am a speedy Gonzales. Me had 100 something at the same time. So when I sit down there, I think for me done act already. So no late. So by the time I say Queenie don't do this, me done do that already. You understand me? But for go back go fix my teeth. A piece of teeth me having in my mouth, but me busy when I said to me, say to me a piece of teeth, me not feel love myself. Girl, I could have one mind the gap there. No mind the gap no there, so I still have my smile. It's alright. My teeth them soon get white and pretty. Listen, when me have my son, you know, my vomiting on them, they don't tell me already, you know. My teeth them damaged different ways. So you see that one here, this. I know my one. See that you can see difference. Do not look into my mouth too much. Shh. Can you keep a secret? Yeah, best be the Gonzales. So I'm gonna make people think for me. I will listen to people, but I don't act. Me not act off of what people say. Because I said me do anything, I'm supposed to beat up myself. Don't answer Queenie. Do it is with you. Oh, don't answer Queenie. Do it is with you. Oh, don't answer. No man, you know see sometimes I not answer though. Sometimes my mouth light in it, so it fly quick. When do it run again. Tomorrow's no guarantee, girl. So you know I'm not sit down now and fret about runner. Yeah, you that fret about what I have now and make you for now, right now. I'm so nice now, my husband. Oh, I'm glad in the runner, you see? I'm glad do the runner, and that's the truth. I'm glad too. Cause it make us close and tighter, start back up on, you know. It make us so we go wrong. It make us more calm and nicer with each other. We appreciate each other more. I'm not a part of it. Life sweet. Life is what it made it, my dear. You understand me? So in them time when the two would disappear from each other, all of those loneliness, all of that stuff. Don't you think the two of us was ripping apart? All who are play big and who are right, big and who are some of low him and them glad and who are some go back for what's in there. Looking now, don't you think he was touring as much as I was? Typical human being, you have a friend, and your friend gone. Queenie, them say about stink. Thinking about Queen. Jesus God. Me can't stick it about girl. And I can't talk about my teeth, but my mouth not stink. Me not can't stick it, man. Me not do stink. My very OCD and full of personal hygiene. So that part they not play with me. I learn in the class, man. That stupidness that. I just want done me. Me a hot girl. Me is that girl and I never a flap girl. I'm a very OCD. You see me the righteous now? Sorry. And my arms start kick like Vando. Me now wait for nobody tell me. You see if my mouth smell, which me not care stinking mouth. That's a good thing with me. I can't wake and not brush my teeth. You know some people when you wake by the time you turn so, their mouth think, not me. Me never care thinking about for me know myself. You know, maybe if you're hungry like for a long time, some people might stink when them hungry. Then some people, them might just stink. Some people when they brush their mouth, them stink. Me no, me not care thinking mouth. Period. So if I wake this morning and didn't brush my teeth, I would have a sour mouth. But me just take little water, get up my mouth normal. It would have brush, but it would have stink. Some people, if them don't brush their mouth still stink. I can't tell me about myself. I don't care with me to no go. So it make no sense. What do I eat for my husband? But I just, what I me and do what all I do is spit on myself saliva when doing rub powder. Ha ha! It's Queenie. It's my husband. Ha 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 ha. You understand? You can't say nothing for shit, me. I have too much confidence. Normal breath. I carry a normal breath. You see my next partner, will make me ball to call Ziggy. Ziggy always said to me, say, Bears, I wish me have your mouth. Him always say that. Can no matter how I wake a morning time and never smell no scent from my mouth. Nice girl, Queenie. Never meet me, I say, smell my mouth, my arm. You know, my Queenie, I'm a smeller. No. So when I write them stupidness, me have time to look for them, you know, my hot girl. Remember me used to the shoplifting, you know, my full of cologne, you know. So that I feel clothes. You see, under the arm, if me there, so now I'm a cologne up. Cause putting on cologne on your clothes, don't your arm is secure. So you see, if you're on the street and your arm gets melly, you get a green line, you cut rub it underneath. When you can't chop my old school. Me 52, you know, my grew up without internet. So I know how to do get a little baking soda. If your mouth think you get like a vinegar, gargle all your throat. You know them. Old school, so the girl I use gloves on and I do not hand me use to dirt and all my people, oh mom, where's the gloves and gloves? Me no, my old school, you can't tell me, no, darling. I don't use shower gel. That's water alone. Maybe it gonna wrap. Me not put nothing. It's on a soap up with soap and take a soap and wash with water. Just take the rag and wash. It's if I'm a good, can I be it quick enough? Me know it take 15 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour. I'll cool the bashment when cool the bashment I'll be able to take all 3 hours. Not me. 5 minutes and me done. Yes, if I me go, I'm gonna soap the ladder the rag, sir. With the soap, yeah. I do the main part. I rub from here and go on my arm. You see me get a 3-4 little rub. I rub out and I guess I'm going underneath it. So I rub out underneath it. So I'm going underneath my breast. So underneath my breast. You see all them parts, I'm going to soap them up. Yeah, for me, beard. Me the soap up my belly because down there, so I run down there. So then I go on at the back and I wash my backpack. I see between your body crease. That's up. Them place like sour. So you make sure you lather this with the soap. So it's when me done this now. Remember me? So it's when me done this now. It's between the leg right so now you rub between the leg with the soap cloth. Still not gonna